Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Tesla Phil here, getting ready to do a quick video installing Tesla logo puddle lights on my new Tesla Model Y 2021. It's a dual performance or dual motor, all-wheel drive, not the performance model, but she's plenty quick enough. So I thought I'd do a quick little video to show you how to do these little puddle lights. It's a quick little $20 Amazon mod and doesn't add any value to your vehicle. I just think it kind of looks cool. So let's get this thing started. Let me flip the camera around here and get everything set up. All right, so here's the car. I'm gonna unlock the door. I'm gonna set this camera up so you guys can see everything that I'm doing. But if you look underneath the door, there's a little light right here. What we're going to do, we're going to take these Chinese knockoff puddle lights, take it out of the box here, and they're labeled right and left. So we're going to just do something really simple here. We're going to take the left puddle light out of the box. There's left on it right there. And I'm going to go up underneath the door and pop out this light. It was that simple. Okay. Take that light, we're going to push down on this little tab. And unplug the old light. And I'm going to take the new light, plug it in. A lot easier when your hands aren't numb. All right, so the new logo is in, light is in. I'm going to aim it the correct direction. I'm going to push it back up in. To the door. Now what we've got when we open up the door is a Tesla logo on the ground. So yeah, just a cheap little mod. Doesn't take that long. I'm not going to bore you with doing the other side. I wanted to keep this video below 3 minutes. So there you go. Now we've got a Tesla logo for a puddle light. And that's really all there is to it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Stick around. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And as I add more content to it, there'll be stuff on drones, metal detecting, Teslas, GoPros, anything tech related, and some personal stuff too. So thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's going to really help me grow my channel. It's under Phil Sheiky right now. I'm going to relabel my brand as Tesla Phil. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all take care.